close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, so I'm a bit crazy, and I've been going crazy because I love this country, but not had a good coffee. So we're gonna make this ourselves. We have Nespresso. I pour myself an espresso. Nespresso coffee. That's how you know it's gonna be like. You know, it's not the best, but it's not bad. And I ordered some oat milk that came in this cute little carton, which is also amazing. I'm gonna put a little bit of oat milk. Pour a super big espresso. A bit. Taste test. Slay! This is actually not bad. So we arrived at the Westin. We are staying here for another 4 days. Tomorrow we have an excursion. I'm really crossing my fingers. I hope to see a manta ray. Might not see one, maybe I'll see one. You never know. The next day, I think we're just exploring this hotel. This hotel's huge. There's so much to do. Like tomorrow is Pilates at 7, so I think I'm gonna go to the Pilates. This is like a dream. I just took such a nice shower and did my skincare. I don't think I'll do any makeup tonight just because like I feel like the ocean really clears up your skin. And now we're off to dinner.
Fueled by
We arrived on the private motu. So cool.
Oh, here's the bathroom.
Okay, all we want.
These are the plates.
Toast ginger.
Yum.
Tuna. Yeah, they're knocking into me by accident.
I've got to say, this is a lot.
It feels so funny. Wait, I want to. It feels so.
Come.
It's like a slimy.
Come. Look, these guys eat straight from your hands.
Where is it?
Oh, he took it.
Is it to eat it from your hand?
These are the stingrays that we've been feeding. They're so cool. There was a little tiny shark here before.
Flip flop, please take your flip flop.
I wear their concealer. We're back. I'm pretty sure someone took my bike. What the hell? Oh my god, this hotel smells like... It smells amazing. I genuinely don't know which day of my life could top this. It's a crazy experience. Like, I would definitely recommend to anyone. You just can't be scared of like sharks and deep water. I'm gonna go to my parents' room for sunset. I also made myself a glass of champagne. I'm going to change and I want to get the good picture, like the right picture. Today, relaxing. I'm so happy with this view. Apparently there's turtles free. And so I'm going to see them. I just collected all these seashells. So cute. I found another one. No, he's so cute. Ah! Wait, I had two of them. He's so tiny. And I love the shell. Good coffee of the day ritual. We're off to dinner. Another thing of fries. So it's our last day in Bora Bora, but it's really cloudy and it's kind of raining. So I'm really sad about that because yesterday I had such a nice day in the sun and I really wanted to do that again today. But it's cloudy, so it's making me really sad.
Avec une baleine, on jageait avec les mains pleines, oui. Mais...
Mais comme ça, je peux les récupérer, ça fera plus d'espace.
Finally, the sun did come out in Bora Bora on my last day. And turns out tomorrow we're leaving at 2. So I still have a bit of time. So tonight is the last night. So I'm wearing my little embroidered Zara dress. I'm re-wearing it. It's been 2 weeks now. I'm starting to run out of things because I only was able to bring a carry-on, so limited. I did not pack well. Like these shoes that I got in Paris and this little bag that the essentials fell out. My tour guide made it for me. And he was so sweet and it's so cute. I wish I could bring it back home. I don't think I can though because I think this qualifies as a plant. I'm really sad to be going home. Like mid-teenage years, like I used to get very, very homesick. Like in high school, really like French Polynesia. It's such a state of mind and I just love it here so much. I love being so close to all these like animals and all this wildlife. I'm gonna be really sad going home, like on my flight home. The long flight home is gonna be a long and sad flight, but I don't know if I showed this already, but I have the matching headband. It's like, it's gorgeous, but like, it's not working. Come that I am packing my suitcase and we're leaving. Not excited to be home, really not. I'm gonna miss the ocean, I'm gonna miss the wildlife, I'm gonna miss the people here, mostly the peacefulness. Just want to thank you for watching this series, but hopefully more travel vlogs as soon as possible. French Polynesia is a stretch, it's far away, but it is beautiful and it lives up to the hype. Especially Bora Bora. Bora Bora is like a legendary paradise and it truly lives up to that. But I would not bypass Tahiti and I would not bypass Moorea. Not a lot of tourists. This place is not crowded at all and it's peak season. There's like no one. Like literally this hotel is like half empty and all the other hotels we went to as well. I should probably go pack my luggage, but I wanted to say one last thing is that it's 100% worth it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope I inspired you to come here. I hope you inspired you to film travel vlogs. And I hope if you like this video, let me know. And subscribe if you haven't. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. I was biking to the lobby and my brother found this turtle in the little turtle lagoon where they go to be rehabilitated. And he's so cute. Bye to these little guys.
It's like tea.
Yeah, they're